Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be making some Jamaican chicken back and ackee. Yes sir, that's one of my favorite dishes growing up, and even today as an adult it's still my favorite. So we're going to start off with our chicken pieces, season with our all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, some allspice, chicken seasoning, seasoned to the bone Jamaican seasoning, and some of the green seasoning. Link is in the top right hand corner for the green seasoning. We're going to rub that seasoning all into the chicken, set aside to marinate. We're going to cut up our peppers, our onion, tomato, some green onion or scallion, a little piece of scotch bonnet. Then we're going to grab a pot, put some coconut oil in there, and mix the coconut oil with some regular oil. And then we're going to fry our chicken pieces crispy. So fry them crispy and nice. Get some nice color on them on both sides. Now, chicken back is one of my favorite things to eat. I don't know about you, but that's just me. Love the chicken back. I also added some thigh meat to it as well. I just cut the thigh meat into 4. So it's some nice 2-inch pieces. I didn't have enough chicken back. So I just bulk it up with that. So once you get the chicken all nice and fried and crispy, gonna remove the chicken from the pot, remove some of the oil. We're gonna saute our garlic, our onion, pepper, tomato, and our scotch bonnet pepper as well. Gonna add some thyme to that as well. And then we're gonna mix that all in. Make sure it's all incorporated. So once that's cooked, once that's sauteed, you're gonna add the chicken pieces back to the pot. Give that a nice stir. And then we're gonna cover our pot and just let that simmer and cook for a few minutes. Maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Help to build some steam. Add a little gravy to the pot. Once you're done, just stir it up again, and we're gonna add our ackee to it. Now I'm using tin ackee. I couldn't get the fresh ackee, so I'm using the canned ackee. So it's not gonna be as firm. So you want to be very delicate with when you're stirring it, because you don't want to stir too much so it gets all mushy. Because you still want to see those whole ackee pieces in it, and you don't want it turned to mush. So once you do that, just gently stir it up. Pour back the juices from the chicken that after you fried it, that was in the bowl. Pour it back in there. Cover. Let that simmer again for another 2 or 3 minutes. And I'm gonna enjoy this with some boiled dumpling, banana, Irish potato, and a piece of pumpkin. And there you go, guys. We have our Jamaican chicken back and ackee. Now you can enjoy it with white rice, rice and peas, bread, fried dumpling, bami, whatever your heart desire. But this is how I like to enjoy mine. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, and like.